Hello, I'm Liz from Leisure Days Insurance. In this video we're going to show you how to clean the outside of your static caravan and check everything over so it's ready for the season ahead. Some parks might offer a cleaning service, but if you want to tackle this job yourself, here we're going to bring you some handy hints and tips for a nice and clean static caravan. Let's get started.
When cleaning a static caravan, we only need a few pieces of equipment to make the job easier and to give maximum results. Here is what we will need. A long-handled brush, a water source, ideally from a hose pipe, an appropriate ladder for reaching the guttering, a clean bucket, a sponge or cleaning mitt, some microfiber cloths, a mild caravan shampoo, and finally some window cleaner. To begin with, we will need to clean the guttering of any debris, leaves or build-up that has occurred since it was last cleaned. It's also a good time to inspect the condition of the guttering and make sure that none of the clips have come loose and that it is still in good shape. So, affix a ladder in a safe and secure manner and remove any debris from the guttering. Once clear, run a hose pipe across the roof and into the guttering to make sure that the downpipes are also clear of obstruction. Once the roof and guttering are clear, it's time to start work on the caravan sides. But before we get the caravan wet, inspect the seals, joins and corners and make sure that nothing is loose or broken. With the hose pipe switched on and the nozzle set to a mist setting, it's time to start wetting down the sides of the caravan. Make sure not to point any water at the extraction or air vents, and also don't be tempted to use a pressure wash. The caravan sides are very delicate and can easily be damaged by high pressure water. Running the hose pipe along the sides will encourage any loose debris to easily be washed away. And once the caravan has been thoroughly hosed down, add some caravan shampoo to a clean bucket and dilute as directed with the instructions. Take your long-handled brush and generously agitate the solution. Start from the top of the caravan and brush liberally over the side, working from top to bottom. Allow any debris or muck to easily dribble down the side of the caravan. Work around any vents and brush around the tops and sides of window frames before brushing over the glass. Keep dipping the brush to apply more cleaning solution as you go and encourage suds to run off the caravan sides. If you find stubborn marks on the side, use a contact cleaner such as Silky. Silky is designed for touring caravans and is very gentle at removing stains or marks from the caravan side. Once clean, hose down the side again to remove any cleaning products. To make the caravan really stand out, wipe down with a microfiber cloth and clean the window glass with a glass cleaner. With the sides all clean, and if you have it, you can now start work on the decking. Start by brushing off any loose debris, then hosing down the decking and wetting down the handrails and posts. Vigorously brush along the walkway, paying attention to any build-up of moss or muck in the corners. Once everything is clean, hose down the deck one last time and wash away any grime that you have loosened. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe down the handrails and deck. And finally, once the caravan and the deck are clean, it's time to brush down any loose debris off of the concrete path and also remove any unsightly weeds.
So that's everything you need to do to get a nice clean caravan for the season ahead. For more hints and tips and articles on looking after your static caravan or holiday lodge, why not head on over to the Leisure Days website. Thanks for watching.